Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about AI-powered virtual assistants, specifically Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. These virtual assistants have become a common part of our daily lives, helping us perform tasks, answer our questions, and keep us organized. But, which one is the best? In this video, we'll compare Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant and help you decide which one is right for you. Let's start with Alexa. Alexa is a virtual assistant developed by Amazon, and it's available on Amazon Echo devices. Alexa can perform a variety of tasks, such as playing music, setting reminders, and controlling smart home devices. Alexa can also answer your questions and provide you with the latest news and weather updates. Alexa is known for its excellent voice recognition capabilities and its ability to understand natural language. You can ask Alexa to play a specific song, and it will find it for you. You can also ask Alexa to set a reminder, and it will remind you at the specified time. However, like Alexa, Siri also has some limitations. For example, it can only answer questions that it knows the answer to, and it can't access the internet. Now, let's talk about Siri. Siri is Apple's virtual assistant, and it's available on iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Siri can perform many tasks, such as making phone calls, sending text messages, and setting reminders. Siri can also answer your questions and provide you with the latest news and weather updates. Siri is known for its seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. You can ask Siri to send a message, and it will send it from your iPhone or iPad. You can also ask Siri to set a reminder, and it will remind you on your Apple Watch. However, Siri also has some limitations. For example, it can only answer questions that it knows the answer to, and it can't access the internet. Finally, let's talk about Google Assistant. Google Assistant is Google's virtual assistant, and it's available on Android devices, Google Home devices, and other smart speakers. Google Assistant can perform many tasks, such as making phone calls, sending text messages, and setting reminders. Google Assistant can also answer your questions and provide you with the latest news and weather updates. Google Assistant is known for its ability to access the internet and provide you with accurate and up-to-date information. You can ask Google Assistant any question, and it will search the internet and provide you with the answer. So, which one is the best? Well, it depends on your needs and preferences. If you're heavily invested in the Amazon ecosystem and have a lot of smart home devices, Alexa may be the best choice for you. If you're an Apple user and want a virtual assistant that seamlessly integrates with your Apple devices, Siri may be the best choice for you. And if you're looking for a virtual assistant that can access the internet and provide you with accurate information, Google Assistant may be the best choice for you. However, Google Assistant also has some limitations. For example, it may not be as good at voice recognition as Alexa or Siri, and it may not integrate as seamlessly with other devices and services as Siri or Alexa do. In summary, all three virtual assistants have their strengths and weaknesses, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. It's also worth noting that there are many other virtual assistants on the market, such as Cortana and Bixby, that may be worth considering. Thank you for watching this video on AI-powered virtual assistants. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.